The use of general counsel for corporations is critical in any criminal investigation. General counsel, sometimes referred to as in-house counsel, are employees of companies. And in the healthcare context, that could be a hospital, it could be an insurance company, it could be a healthcare system, it could be a pharmaceutical company. And general counsel's role typically is to negotiate contracts, deal with HR, and most importantly, assure compliance with internal regulations and external regulations. External being federal guidelines, Stark, state disciplinary rules, any regulation that affects the business of that company. And qualified and experienced general counsel have an understanding both of the state that they operate in, the federal guidelines that attach to it, and then requirements of individual payor programs, whether it's major medical, Medicare and Medicaid, no-fault, workers' comp, whatever it might be. When an investigation starts, it's critical that general counsel be the person at the point that's cooperating with the investigators. In the healthcare context, there is an obligation to provide timely medical records, billing records that are sought by potentially the state, the federal government, insurance companies. There's an affirmative obligation to provide these things, and general counsel should be aware of all of that. At the same time, there are difficulties that come with this because that general counsel has to balance its obligation to their employer as well as their own potential obligation to the investigators. It's not unheard of for general counsel to become targets of investigation, typically for obstruction charges. And when you get to that point, general counsel in the company itself should be seeking outside counsel, both to advise inside counsel and to make sure that the investigation is going in the right direction. So it's very important for general counsel to be involved early on and be the point person, but there comes a point where outside counsel is absolutely necessary, both to protect general counsel and to make sure that the investigation heads in the right direction.